Hello everyone, I'm Nazia again here to introduce with the newest Beauty First product, which is a Brow Magic. Now this Brow Magic is a clear brow gel, but it's not like just any brow gel. This brow gel has growth factors in it. So this brow gel has ingredients such as biotin, polymers, peptides and fruit ferment extract with other many active ingredients. Now this brow gel can be used for making your eyebrows look thicker and fuller. So today I'm going to just show you a small tutorial on how to use this Brow Magic gel on my eyebrows. Now this Brow Magic gel, you can use it in two different ways. The first one is a feathered look and the other one is a natural look. Feather look you can do mostly when you're going for parties with your friends because it's too much in right now, making your eyebrows look thicker and fuller. And some people like natural look, they don't want their eyebrows to be very bold, so you can select the natural look at that time. So let's start the tutorial. To start off the tutorial, I came little bit more closer to show you how we do the Brow Magic product. To start off, I will be using my Beauty First eyebrow pencil in a shade of Americano. So to start with, I will take my brow pencil and go stroke by stroke on the eyebrow, not making too dark on the starting point of the brows, but going little more darker from the arch to the end. Now when I'm done, I will take my spoolie and try to blend the product. So I filled in my right brows. I will be filling up my left brows and then we will be back to show you how to use the Brow Magic. So now I will be using Brow Magic product. On my right eyebrow, I will be showing you how to do the feathered look, and on my left one, I will show you how to do the natural look. For the feathered look, you will be applying the gel on the eyebrows with everything in upward direction. So starting from the starting point of the brows, you will just comb every single hair in upward direction. So on my left brow, I will be showing you how to do the natural look. To start the natural look, I will just be combing the hair in the natural direction. From the start to the end, and then with the spoolie I will comb so that the gel goes on every single hair. So as you can see, on my right eyebrow I used a feathered look and on my left one I used a natural look. Now you can decide whatever you want according to your preference. Where you are going, you can decide which look you want to achieve. Brow Magic gel is very simple to use, yet most effective in hair growth. Now remember to use this morning and night to promote the hair growth. We are very excited to release this product and we hope you enjoy it too. If you like this video and if you want to see more product tutorials, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.